Welcome to the Mellow Loft. I'm sorry that I already ripped it up, but it looks really nice. It's actually hard to open. Okay. And there's an adapter, a HDMI extender, and this is the TV stick. Okay, so I'm going to try it out on my TV and put some batteries in the remote first. Two should do. I hope they're the correct size. They are. Okay, so let's go and try this. Also, the plug for it is on the side here. So we stick this into the HDMI port at the back of the TV, and we put in the charger adapter or whatever. We're just gonna plug it in first. And then plug this in and plug this in. We're still trying to search for, I don't know what those things are called since it has only two heads. The thing to help it plug in, But I just wanted to say that it arrived considerably fast since it came in 7 days, considering that we still have COVID-19. It was Valentine's Day and also Chinese New Year, so it actually came pretty fast, which was in 7 days. Okay, so I plugged it in. Sorry, it's a bit dusty behind there. Now we see if it works. Okay, so they said to turn it to whichever one it's in. Was it this one? Let's try it again. Oh, we're encountering a problem. Yay, it's here! Okay, so I need to click both the remote buttons. Okay, I was trying to keep my reflection out, but it can't work. So, this is the remote. And now we need to click both sides. How long?
4 times.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna ask you for, I guess, this button. Tell us so we could provide localized services. Oh, great. It doesn't have my country, but that's okay. Because we can pretend we're from the US. Quickly set up your TV with your Android phone. Continue. Open the pre-installed Google. Say, okay Google, set up my device. I'm recording using my phone. Okay Google. Well, I need to stop the recording then, guys, but it says to, I think I'll have a setup. You guys can continue with that if you choose to buy this, I guess. Okay, so I couldn't set it up with my phone because it didn't detect the Bluetooth. I don't know what's wrong with it, but I connected it with the internet instead. Okay, so we successfully set it up. I didn't connect it to anything, so this probably won't work. So it couldn't connect to Netflix, and we're going to try to update it first in the Play Store. So let's see if it works. Okay, so it finally works after updating it. So if it doesn't work, just update it. And we can access Netflix now. And we tried YouTube too before. And I think I want to go and watch Hotel Cecil. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. For more content like this, hit the subscribe button and see you in the comments.